And walk me through your book too. How's your book outlined?
Yeah, so the first few chapters are general health things, chill out on sugar, artificial sweeteners are going to kill brain cells. We kind of go over some of the typical stuff like that, dehydration. So I kind of lay out some general health principles. And then we go into the 7 patterns and describe some of the, there's a symptom list, checklist, if you will, associated with the gallbladder and with the stomach and with the thyroid. So it goes through to help people understand, okay, this is where I need to target my energies, if you will. And then there's the head program is kind of the healing, where we lay out, there's flow charts in there. So if you have a left-sided headache, and it says left-sided headache and stomach, and then it's got kind of 4 columns of symptoms associated with the stomach. So a person can try to identify, what aspect of their stomach to target their care, their lifestyle choices.
You're almost like you're giving someone the visual, this different ways to actually understand where the headaches are coming from and even how to treat themselves, correct?
For sure. Yeah, it's all about empowering people.
Well, probably you can put yourself out of business, Doc. That's the problem. You're gonna
Great.
isn't that the best though, when you help someone out, you just want them to get better, boom, someone else walks through the door, boom, someone else has a question. He's like,
Right.
You're constantly busy.